Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about footers. Footers, other than headers, is essentially where all the content of the website sits on. And the footer is a section at the bottom of the website that is tend to be, or always stays at the bottom of the website, which includes a logo and some menu buttons that don't necessarily fit at the top. Now, what are we talking about and what do we mean by that? Well, if you go over here and see our last header video, we showed you not only how to create a header, but how to add color to it, how to add a bottom border. I could just show you here, bottom border like this, how to do all different kinds of things. Well, a header functions the same way, but typically it is at the very bottom of the website. The only difference is it has different menu buttons. These are things that might not necessarily apply to the first-time user of your website. So typically, a header is going to include all the different buttons that a first-time user would be interested in. So for example, if a first-time user of a website comes to our website, they can see the pricing of our software. They can see the a service that where we build websites for them. We have our Wexpert University, which are these videos. We have our templates where consumers can go in, take a look at a template, and edit the template and make it their own website. All these different things. But what if the user is coming back to the website? Maybe they're interested in being an affiliate, for example. Well, then in that case, they would go to our footer of our website by scrolling all the way down. We'll just go here, footer of the website. They can become an affiliate, or they can contact us, or they want to view our policies or our terms. All these different types of links that are maybe not necessary for the first time user are found in the footer. So let's talk about how to create a footer. So it's very simple. On your website, when you're editing your website within Rocket Builder, just go ahead and scroll all the way down, and you'll see a section that's mostly preloaded for you that says footer with a little blue section that says hide here. Notice if I click this, the footer is gone. If I want to show this, the footer is there. Now, footers are not a requirement by any means on the internet. It's not like, the internet puts a rule and says you have to have a footer. Footers are optional. Footers have logos, links, buttons, sometimes even the buttons that your payment processing systems work with, things like that. So basic setup for footers. So let's say I want to edit the color of my footer. I just go over here to my footer block and I change the color. Let's say I want it to be a white or a blue or a black or whatever color I really want it. I can set that up very easily. So that's essentially how you set up a footer. Now, if you want a block of a footer, you can just go over here to add block, and it could be at any block. It doesn't have to be at a certain location. And you could just go down here to footer. And you could look for different examples of footers. The great thing about Rocket Web Builder is that we have pre-built footers for you. So let's say you want this footer, and you think it looks nice. That's great. You just take it, and you move it all the way down to where the footer should be. So like, for example, right here, you delete your old footer, and now you have a brand new footer. And it's just that simple. If you're interested to take a look at any of our templates, go over here to rocketwebbuilder.com, select the templates button, and simply take a look at all our various templates on our platform, which these websites could be yours, and you could absolutely use them to build your perfect website. If you have any questions or if you need us to work on your website for you, message us in the comments down below. And of course, if you want to try out Rocket Web Builder, click the link in the description, get started with a template, and start working on your website. Thank you.